taking place in Kerala. Predator Congress MLA runs to court. Suspended Kerala Congress MLA Rahul Mamkuttil has filed an anticipatory bail plea. The bail application has been submitted in the Thiruvananthapuram Sessions Court. Arpita continues to be with us on the broadcast. Let's first tell you about the political reactions that are coming in. Remember this after a formal complaint and FIR has been registered and a lookout circular has been issued against Rahul Mamkuttil.
The Congress party's Rahul Mamkuttil should have been charged with, under the sections of the law appropriately many months ago and should have been questioned accordingly. But it is only thanks to the pressure of the media and the victim speaking out that finally a case has been filed against Rahul Mamkuttil, the MLA from the Congress. It is very clear that in a desperate attempt to remain in power, the CPM is seeking an understanding with the Congress to defeat the BJP NDA.
ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് അറിയാലോ, രാഹുൽ ഉടനെ തന്നെ ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു തീരുമാനം ഉടനെ ഉണ്ടാകും. കാര്യം ഇപ്പോൾ അറിയാൻ സാധിച്ചത് യുവതി മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിക്ക് പരാതി കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നു എന്നാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉടനെ തന്നെ അറിയാൻ സാധിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. പകുതി എൻ്റെ ഒരു അതെ, ഇപ്പോൾ പകുതി ഒരു വിജയം എന്നോണം എനിക്കത് തോന്നുകയാണ്. കാര്യം AICCക്ക് ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ പരാതി കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ രാഹുൽ മാങ്കൂട്ടത്തിനെതിരെ ഒരു അന്വേഷണം ഉടനെ തന്നെ പാർട്ടി തലത്തിൽ നടത്തണമെന്ന് ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടുകൊണ്ടൊരു കത്ത് ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ തന്നെ കൊടുത്തിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് ഈ വിഷയത്തിൽ യുവതിയുടെ ഒരു പരാതിയും വന്നിരിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞതിൽ ഒരു സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. കാര്യം തെറ്റുകാരനാണോ അല്ലയോ എന്നുള്ളത് തെളിയിക്കേണ്ടത് കോൺഗ്രസ് പാർട്ടിയുടെ കൂടി ഒരു ഉത്തരവാദിത്തമായി ഈ ഒരു തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പിന്റെ കാലത്ത് മാറിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആ ഒരു കാര്യത്തിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് ഒരു സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്.
This lady has not gone to the police station, what actually she should do, or she has not come to us. So a person who has been suspended from the party, from our party, few months ago, we cannot comment on him because law will take its own course and legally the battle is now in CM's hand. Whatever step he will take, we are with the legal issue and we are with the law. Whatever law will take its own course and whatever law will say, we will be on that.
Arpita continues to be with us. This person has been suspended. That's all that the Congress party is saying. But Rahul Mamkuttil, who was nowhere to be found, has now filed for anticipatory bail plea.
Well, yes, so he was suspended in August when, remember in August there were multiple women who had come forward alleging that they had to face multiple sexual assault. They had given sexual assault allegations against Rahul Mamkuttil, but they were not willing to file any official complaint. Therefore, no action was taken against Rahul Mamkuttil. The only action that Congress took against him was suspension, and he also was asked to step down from the Youth Congress President's post. Remember, he continues to serve as the Palakkad MLA. Now, finally, one woman has come forward, and yesterday she had filed a complaint in front of Chief Minister. She has also given all the details of the chats and digital evidences. That is when the Chief Minister has now officially given the complaint to the police, and now Neelam Police Station, the FIR has been charged, and FIR charges include rape on the pretext of marriage and forced abortion. These are the two charges, and these are very serious charges, and therefore he is likely to be arrested. But since yesterday he was missing till evening, he was seen campaigning in
but
Palakkad.
Now he files for anticipatory bail. Arpita, thank you very much for getting us the updates. Keep tracking all the developments. Thank you for getting us the inputs. With that, we're slipping into a very short break, but there's a lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.